In this video, we're going to learn how the MAF sensor works, why it gets damaged, and how to know if it is faulty, and finally what to do if it is failing. Its function is to measure how much air enters the engine in real time. Key information, so the ECU can calculate the exact amount of fuel that must be injected. The problem is that when this measurement stops being accurate, the entire engine balance is disrupted. One of the main reasons why the sensor gets damaged is contamination. Over time, dust, oil, and microscopic residues stick to the filament or sensing element, especially in engines that use oil performance air filters or poorly installed filters. This coating alters the airflow reading, making the sensor think that less air is entering than what is actually coming in. As a result, the ECU injects less fuel than necessary, and the engine starts running lean, with hesitation, loss of power, and difficulty accelerating. Another very common cause is unmetered air entering after the MAF. Cracked hoses, loose clamps, or poorly sealed intake components allow air that has not been measured to reach the engine. The sensor continues to work, but the information it provides no longer matches reality. This generates intermittent faults, unstable idle, and, in many cases, the check engine light turning on even though the sensor itself is not actually damaged. There are also electrical failures. The MAF depends on a stable power supply and a clean signal to the ECU. Corroded connectors, broken wires, or ground issues can cause erratic readings or complete loss of signal. In these cases, the engine may enter limp mode, limiting power and increasing fuel consumption as a protective measure. When the sensor starts to fail, the symptoms tend to repeat regardless of the vehicle brand. Noticeable loss of power, increased fuel consumption, hesitation during acceleration, unexpected stalling, and difficulty maintaining idle. In some cases, the car starts fine when cold but fails once it reaches operating temperature, because the ECU begins to rely more on the MAF information than on backup sensors. The good news is that not all MAF failures mean immediate replacement. In many cases, a proper cleaning with a cleaner specifically designed for MAF sensors can bring it back to life. It is essential not to touch the sensing element with your hands or use aggressive cleaners, since the filament is extremely delicate and can be easily damaged. If after cleaning the symptoms persist, the next step is to inspect the entire intake system: hoses, clamps, air filter, and possible sources of unmetered air. Only when everything is confirmed to be in good condition and the sensor continues to deliver incorrect values does replacement become the definitive solution.